So now today I want to start Python programming language. So before starting Python programming language, I want to say about why are you learning Python programming language and why should learn Python programming and basically why should learn any programming language. Before starting any programming language, what is program and what is programming language? So before starting any Python programming language or any programming language, I want to talk about what is program and what is programming language. First, what is program? First, what is program? Now we are talking about what is program. A program is a set of instruction. I think all of you know. A program is a collection of instruction, a set of instruction. PRO program is a set of instruction th that computer can run or execute. I think all of you know about what is a set of instruction that computer that can run. A program means like we are looking at a calculator. Firstly, what is calculator? You know? Okay, I think all of you know about calculator. Like आप जो कैलकुलेटर देखते हो वो आपको जवाब कैसे देता है? First of all, before writing anything on on the calculator, like we are entering, you are typing 2 plus 2, then directly execute 4. But I am writing here 2 plus 2. I think there is no any output provided. So if I am writing one program like a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4, a plus b is equal to c is equal to a plus b, then we are in print c, then execute here. This program will print 2 plus 4 6. So that program is already entered, already writing on that calculator. So calculator, when we are entering any number, then like we are entering 2 plus 8, then clicking plus, then it is, and then we will execute here 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. और वहीं हमारा सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है और वो कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड करता है, देन वो एग्जीक्यूट करता है, उसी को हम लोग प्रोग्राम करते हैं, प्रोग्राम बोलते हैं. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग व्हाट इज प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड व्हाट इज प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. Programming language means when we are writing writing when we are writing set of instruction, when we are writing rule of set of instruction, when we are writing the rule of set of instruction, then computer can run. So when we are writing the set of instruction that computer that can run. हमारे किसी भी प्रोग्राम को लिखने का जो माध्यम होता है, जो रूल होते हैं, उसी को हम प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. लाइक अभी यार, यदि आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में कुछ भी जाके लिख दे रहे हो, उसे हम प्रोग्राम नहीं बोलते हैं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? So now next, we are starting why should learn any programming language. I think I want to say like why we are learn Python programming language. Why should learn any programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, and anything. Swift, Ruby, TypeScript. First of all, communicate with the computer. आपको कंप्यूटर से कम्युनिकेट करना रहता है. That's why we are using any programming language. After solving the problem and career opportunity, if you are learn any programming language, we can move on the tech field, corporate field. I think अभी का जो दौर है वो सारे चीज अभी ऑटोमेशन हो रहा है, सारे हमारे डिजिटलाइज हो रहे हैं. देन इफ यू वांट टू मूव आवर करियर इन टेक फील्ड, देन वी शुड लर्न पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग. इट इज द वेरी नेसेसरी. एंड और पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट, अपने पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए लर्न करना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. देन अंडर टेक्नोलॉजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, टेक्नोलॉजी को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डेवलप और क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट, कोलोब्रेशन, क्रिएटिविटी, that type. In after learning Python programming language, and how can we learn any programming language? First of all, define your goal. Why are you learning? Then choose your any suitable programming language and find the learning resource. Understanding the basic concept and practice regularly. Work on project and seek help and collaborate. Challenges yourself, review and reflect and build the portfolio and keep learning. How learn how we can learn any programming language? First of all, define your goal. If there is no define your goal, we can't learn. When we are going to learn any programming language, that time you are thinking about like आप मतलब आपके पास जो गोल ही नहीं है तो आप नॉर्मली उसको पढ़ोगे बिना मतलब से. Then if you do have a goal, I want to move on the tech career, then if you have a goal, then we are learn regularly and we are become motivated. And choose the programming language, understanding the basic and facing the challenging yourself and solve yourself. Review and reflect. If you have challenging, and that time you are not solve the problem, after that we can come to connect with our comment section and tell them what your problem, then I will provide the solution of do you have any types of problem. Now I'm starting. First of all, what is Python? A Python is a general purpose, high level, object oriented, interpreted, versatile, and dynamic type programming language. Means general purpose. What is the meaning of general purpose? First of all, we are using water. Do you know why are calling water is a general purpose? वाटर आप सारे जगह यूज करते हो, लाइक पीने में, देन स्नान करने में, खेती करने में. Like we are calling to that water is a multi-level purpose we are using anywhere. That's I'm calling Python is a general purpose because we are using you are using a Python. We can work on the multiple platform. There are multiple sector like automations, like web development, data analysis, visualization, desktop applications, gaming, mobile applications, Internet of Thinking, natural language processing, in multiple field. Python is a case sensitive programming language. And high level programming language because Python, which is understand the high level programming language like a human readable and fully English language we are understand. Yeah, it does not take any special character like at the rate and colon, semicolon, that type of things. And Python is object oriented programming language because when we are working on the any program like that's is the object and we are working on the objects. Interpreted programming language means interpreted means we when we are going to execute the our code will execute line by line. And we are when we are using other programming languages plus or after that we are execute that code will be run one time but not line by line. And versatile, it is a easy programming language and dynamically typed because they do not need for any data type declaration before during the creating any variables. It has automatically understand your what after creating the variable what data we are writing, what data we are using.